Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn about deep learning-based global context anomaly detection by MVTec. With this state-of-the-art technology, we can detect both structural and logical anomalies. For example, here we have small bottles which are filled with one of several types of juice, a sticker indicating the type of juice with an icon, and on the bottom another sticker guaranteeing 100% juice. A structural anomaly, for example, might be a sticker that is slightly damaged or contamination. A logical anomaly, for example, might be an orange sticker when the bottle is filled with banana juice or the stickers in the wrong places. The global context anomaly detection model consists of two subnetworks. The local network is particularly adapted to detect structural anomalies. The global network is particularly adapted to detect logical anomalies. Usually, you don't have to think about the differences between structural and logical anomalies because the anomaly detection model automatically combines the two results. However, it's possible to train or deploy a model that only uses either one of the networks. This improves the runtime and reduces the required memory. For global context anomaly detection, no labeling is required. The model can be trained with good images only. Thus, this method is very suitable if your defects vary strongly and only occur rarely or are hard to predict. As a starting point, we recommend at least 100 images for training. This can be reduced to 10 images if only using the local network. However, this number highly depends on several factors, like the variety of your good images. If a variation is not covered in training, it's very likely to be detected as anomaly during inference. Also note that the camera setup must not be changed between training and inference. The model is very sensitive to changes in illumination or size, for example. With all this information in mind, there are many use cases for global context anomaly detection, like quality inspection, defect detection, surface inspection, or presence checks. This concludes our introduction to global context anomaly detection. Have a look at our additional tutorial videos on how to use it in our products. Thank you for watching.